Are you a cat lover but have allergies? Don't despair, there are actually several breeds of hypoallergenic cats that produce fewer allergens and are less likely to trigger an allergic reaction. In this video, we'll introduce you to 8 amazing hypoallergenic cat breeds that you can consider adding to your family. From the hairless Sphynx to the social Siamese, these cats may just be the perfect fit for you. First up, we have the Sphynx. These unique cats are known for their friendly personalities and their love of attention. Despite their lack of fur, they still need to be groomed to remove excess oils from their skin. It's a common misconception that because they don't have fur, they don't need grooming, but this couldn't be further from the truth. In fact, they may require more grooming than cats with fur because their skin is more sensitive. They are also prone to sunburn and can get cold easily, so it's important to provide them with proper protection. One of the reasons that the Sphynx is considered to be hypoallergenic is because they don't have fur to shed, which reduces the amount of allergens in the environment. Next up is the Devon Rex. These cats have a soft, wavy coat that's similar to a lamb's. They're known for being playful and energetic, and they're great with kids. One interesting fact about the Devon Rex is that their coat is caused by a genetic mutation, and they're sometimes referred to as the alien cat due to their unique appearance. They have a high metabolism and require more food than other breeds to maintain their weight. The Devon Rex is considered to be hypoallergenic because they produce fewer allergens than other cats due to their unique coat and skin structure. The Cornish Rex is another breed with a one-of-a-kind coat. Their short, curly fur is soft to the touch and requires minimal grooming. These cats are intelligent and athletic, and they love to play and explore. One interesting fact about the Cornish Rex is that they have a higher body temperature than other cats, and they're known for seeking out warm places to sleep. The Cornish Rex is considered to be hypoallergenic because they produce fewer allergens than other cats due to their unique coat and skin structure. The Russian Blue is a beautiful breed with a sleek, short coat that's easy to maintain. These cats are known for their striking blue-gray color and their calm, gentle demeanor. It's a common misconception that Russian Blues are aloof and independent, but in reality, they're affectionate and loyal to their families. They're also known for From the playful Devon Rex to the calm Russian Blue, these cats come in all shapes, sizes, and personalities. If you're considering adding a feline friend to your family, be sure to do your own research and choose a cat breed that is right for you. Thanks for tuning in to Purring Loaf. We hope you enjoyed learning about these amazing hypoallergenic cat breeds. Whether you're a fan of the social Siamese or the laid-back Javanese, there's a hypoallergenic cat out there for everyone. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more fun and informative videos. We'll see you in the next one.